That is not an error you see on the title screen. Although I'm narrating, editing, and posting this in 2021, this is footage I shot on November 12, 2012, when I visited Steamtown in Scranton, Pennsylvania. While there, I enjoyed a ride on the passenger train behind Canadian National number 3254. This is a Mikado 282 steam locomotive built in 1917 by the Canadian Locomotive Company. Towards the end of the day, I watched them bring it onto the turntable, spin it around, and drive it into the roundhouse. This footage was shot on an iPhone 4, and admittedly it's not my best work. I rarely shot video back then, and I had no idea I would eventually start a YouTube channel and want to share this.
Cruise control. Taking the long way. Yeah, we take the long way. That's part of the dog and pony show. Yeah. You're gonna have to bring them back like every 2 years when they get bigger, right? There you go. Can't beat it.
"3254" made its last run on December 2nd, 2012, just 3 weeks after I shot this video. It is still out of service as it awaits its 1,472-day inspection and a possible rebuild.